Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. It's Throwback Thursday, y'all. I'm out here a little later than usual, so this video is probably going to go up a little later. But Throwback Thursday, y'all, so I'm out here with one of my classic quads. This time I'm out here with something brushless, a little brushless quad here. This is the AR Fun 95 Pro, and this is from a company called Aurora RC, I think. And there was an AR Fun 90, and that was pretty popular, really nice flying quad. It was a little smaller, and it was so successful and so popular that they came out with a second version of it, or a newer model, which is this one, the AR Fun 95 Pro. 95 millimeters from motor to motor diagonally. And so this guy has DYS 1104, I think they're 7500 kV motors, and so pretty decent motors. This thing is a 2S quad, but it can run on 3S. I have flown it on 3S and all, but I think it was mainly meant to be a 2S quad because of the I say that because of the kV of the motors. You know, that's a 2S kV. But this was when OSD was just starting to become popular in quads. So this one does have OSD, and so smart audio on this one. You can adjust the PIDs and all of that stuff right off of the transmitter through the FPV feed and all. Pretty awesome little quad. So I brought this guy out to fly it around. I might do a little FPV with it. I got a 450 milliamp hour 2S GMB. I have it charged up to normal voltage. This is a high voltage pack though, but I only have it to normal voltage. And so let's get this guy up in the air. We're starting to lose light out here. The Devo 12E out here to fly it with. And I also have this Emax Transporter 2 goggle monitor. Okay, it should be recording. So let's see if I can get it back in the air off this grass. Yep. Sheesh, I can hardly see. Hard to see this guy, how it's, which way it's facing and all. I think I'm gonna fly this thing FPV. Let's get it. Little staticky, but it's flying awesome though. Sheesh. Can't really see it that good over there. Let me see if I can bring it back over here. Where am I? Oh, there I am. I got this patch antenna on it, but the patch antenna is facing the wrong direction. Let me see if I can get it back over here so I can land it and try to fix the darn. Oh, I thought that little tree stump was me. There I am right there. Let's see. Bring them back. Okay, let's try to fix this darn. Whoa, it tried to dive forward on me when I cut the throttle. But anyhow, let me try to face these antennas correctly. I got a patch antenna on here, so it's still recording. Let's get it back in the air. Okay, let's try to. Okay, so not all that static right now since I faced it back the right direction. Uh-oh. Get back over here. I need to aim this patch over towards whichever way I'm flying it. Oh, flew through some branches. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Couldn't avoid that one. Oh, I'm just smacking stuff now. Let me calm down. Awesome little flyer though. I done flew through a bunch of trees and all. It's so fun flying through these trees though, y'all.
Mayday! Mayday! We're going down!
Oh. Went a little low. I don't think I lost power. I just wasn't paying attention to how low I was flying. So this little guy is fast. Oops. Let me see where my voltage is at. Okay. We're at 3.5 volts. Probably should be landing this guy, so I'm not going to fly too far away. Getting the buzzer now, so let's bring him in. Check him out. Oh yeah, it's getting real weak. And it did the death roll because I flew it a little too long. Let me stop the recording, make sure we got that. The AR Fun 95 Pro. Pretty awesome little flyer from back in the day. Still a nice flyer for now. It's analog, but hey, it's still awesome. I haven't gone completely digital yet. Thanks for watching.